In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use lazy loading on Google Sites fast and easy. If you're looking to optimize the performance of your Google Sites, lazy loading is a powerful tool to consider. The great news here is that Google Sites automatically comes equipped with built-in lazy loading for images and sections. So you won't have to fuss with custom code. Everything is already optimized right in the background. This feature ensures that images and content are only loaded when they come into view, greatly improving the loading times and overall user experience on your site. To get started, first, head over to Google Sites, which you can easily find by navigating to sites.google.com in your browser. Once you're there, it's important to understand that Google Sites has taken care of some of the heavy lifting for you. With lazy loading built in, your images and sections won't load until they are visible on the screen. This automatic optimization helps not only with speed but also with conserving bandwidth, making your site more efficient. Even though the platform does much of the work for you, there are some best practices you can follow to maximize lazy loading effectiveness. Consider breaking long pages into smaller, manageable sections, rather than uploading one large image or file. This approach ensures that your site remains user-friendly and responsive. Another tip is to use smaller, compressed images wherever possible. Compressed images load much more quickly, even under the lazy loading setup. And this slight tweak can contribute to a smoother experience for your visitors. Several tools and online services can help you compress images without losing quality, so be sure to take advantage of those. While Google Sites' lazy loading feature is mainly focused on images and sections, it's also wise to be mindful of other content such as videos, maps, and forms. These heavier embeds can slow down your site's performance, especially if placed on the homepage. Instead, consider placing them further down on a page or even on separate pages. This way, they only load when actually needed, helping to maintain the overall speed and flow of your site. By following these best practices, you can significantly enhance your Google site using its built-in lazy loading capabilities. Remember, the key is to balance the aesthetic and functional aspects of your site while keeping performance as a top priority. With these steps, you are well on your way to creating a fast, efficient, and user-friendly website using Google Sites. So dive in, experiment, and see how lazy loading can transform the user experience on your platform. Thanks for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Google Sites.